Welcome to American Adventure Academy's America for Kids. Join us on a fun-filled journey as we explore amazing facts about the USA. From iconic landmarks to incredible history, we'll learn, sing, and have a blast. Let's celebrate the rich culture and diversity of America together. Don't miss out. Like and subscribe for more adventures. And let's make learning unforgettable together.
Ava the Alabama Explorer. Hey friends, I'm Ava the Alabama Explorer. Are you ready to discover the wonders of Alabama with me? First stop, the beautiful Gulf Coast. Look at these sandy beaches. Next, we learn about history at the Civil Rights Institute. It's so important to remember. And don't forget the delicious Southern food. Alabama is full of tasty treats. Now let's spell it together. A-L-A-B-A-M-A. Alabama. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.